Konnichiwa! Welcome back to my lesson. In this lesson, you'll be able to understand what staff says and make a good conversation flow at your local Japanese shop. The essential expressions, how to ask to repeat and speak slower. The basic Japanese sentence structure, X は Y です。And the concept of Japanese apology. Are you ready? This is a part of my online course, Master Speaking Japanese. Please see the description box below for more details. If you want to master speaking, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll gain confidence. Let's shop in Japanese. Imagine you came to the local Japanese shop. いらっしゃいませ。どうぞ。Tell me how to order that one over there. Yes, あれください。Good memory from part 1 lesson 3. おいくつですか? Oh no, what did she say? Okay, let's ask to repeat it again. First of all, say すみません. Do you remember this phrase from part 1 lesson 1? It was used to get attention. This is also used for apology. I'm sorry. And say もう一度お願いします. What is お願いします? Yes, I request. もう一度 is new for you. もう is more. 一度 is once. Repeat after me. もう一度お願いします。もう一度お願いします。Good! By the way, can you say ください instead of お願いします in this context? The answer is no. Please revise part 1 lesson 2 if you want. Okay, repeat. すみません。もう一度お願いします。すみません。もう一度お願いします。おいくつですか? おいくつ means how many? And ですか you know this from lesson 2. And how do you say two of them? Exactly, 二つ Good memory from the last lesson. どうもありがとうございます。And you say? Yes, どうも。Next, let's ask to speak slower. Now you're at a Japanese cafe. いらっしゃいませ。どうぞ。Let's order matcha latte. Yes, 抹茶ラテください。店内でお召し上がりですか? Oh no, it was so fast. Okay, let's ask her to speak more slowly. First, apologize. Yes, すみません. Then, ゆっくり is slowly. And the request? Yes, お願いします. Repeat after me. ゆっくりお願いします。ゆっくりお願いします。店内でお召し上がりですか? Remember this phrase? Yes, she asked you if you drink in. Let's say yes. はい。どうもありがとうございます。どうも。Okay, the last section. X は Y です。It's a basic Japanese sentence structure. いらっしゃいませ。どうぞ。The coffee on the poster looks nice. Let's order it. Yes, それください。おいくつですか? Let's ask her to repeat it. すみません。 もう一度お願いします。Good. おいくつですか？ Say one. 一つ。Great. 店内でお召し上がりですか？ Ask slowly. Yes. すみません。ゆっくりお願いします。店内でお召し上がりですか？ Let's take away. Yes. Take out で。袋はご利用ですか？袋 is bag and ご利用 is use. What is talking about? So regarding a bag, you know ですか from lesson 2. This is か question. Literally, talking about a bag, use is it, means do you use a bag? In this lesson, I introduced the structure. In the next lesson, you learn the concept of the topic marker wa from Japanese perspective. Back to the conversation. If you want to use the bag, say はい。If no, say いいです。いい means good, fine, okay, like it's okay, implying no thank you. Repeat after me. いいです。いいです。どうもありがとうございます。どうも。Okay, today's summary まとめ。What are the new expressions? Yes. すみません as apology. もう一度。ゆっくり。And いいです。The new sentence structure? X は Y です。Good. Now I want to add a culture note here. One point. すみません. It's important for the native speaker to apologize when they ask an extra work for them, such as repeating or slowly. Why? Because they feel sorry. The other point, いいです. Fine or okay is used in order to imply no. No sounds negative and the native speakers tend to avoid it. Interesting for you? Now my tip for learning Japanese. I couldn't speak English well when I was in New Zealand. I studied English for 10 years at school, but there was no speaking practice. Actually, just knowledge didn't help. Practice is essential to become a confident speaker. You've learned a lot, so watch this video until you remember all. Then, speak a lot on the practice video in many situations. It's available from masterspeakingjapanese.com. Well done! That's all for today. In the next lesson, you'll talk about where the items are in a shop. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.